Welcome to Security Cameras Plus training on the CCD, CMOS, and the variety of different types of cameras that we have in today's market. In my hands, we have a Pro-style box camera. Now you'll find in the center of the box camera is the actual CCD chip. This chip is actually found in all cameras, but it's more exposed in the Pro-style box camera. Now with the Pro-style box camera, we actually utilize a varifocal lens. Now the varifocal lens, you'll find this one can be focused from 2.8 to 12 millimeters. You use the different toggle switches on the sides, and this will actually zoom the camera in and out. Once you get to the desired focal point, you'll actually use the focus and then tighten down the screws. Now obviously we wouldn't do this until we actually connect it to the camera. And to do that, we simply screw this on, as so. Then we'll go ahead and plug the auto iris into the camera. And at this point, we would mount this more than likely into a clamshell housing, which we'll demonstrate later on. A covert PIR. Now the covert PIR is nothing but a board camera inside of it, and I'll actually show you that. Now you'll see inside the actual PIR is the actual board camera. Nothing special. A lot of times companies will actually manufacture these themselves with hot glue. The same camera is actually used in the dome camera and in the bullet camera in a lot of instances. The only difference is the actual housing. Now this actual housing is perfect and ideal for covert applications such as a nanny camera or watching customers, or any hidden covert application that you need to install this into a residential or commercial application. Now there's many types of vandal domes and many different housings. Now you'll notice this camera is nothing but a board camera, such as we just discussed. The only difference is it's actually in the vandal housing. If you were to take this camera out of this vandal housing, you would have nothing more than the board camera. Now again, there's all different types of applications for this vandal dome camera. Our favorite is actually the IR vandal dome camera, which we talk about in other lesson bullet camera. You'll see the IR bullet camera actually has a sun shield, and it actually has the LEDs on the front of the camera. Now the LEDs on the front of the camera will actually project up to 25 feet in the dark and will allow you to actually see whatever objects you're looking for up to that distance. Bullet cameras are ideal for many applications, especially residential, small businesses. They're ideal as they allow us to maneuver on the eaves of the homes, where such as a dome camera doesn't give us that flexibility. I wouldn't suggest to use a dome camera on a residential home on the exterior, where I would recommend a bullet camera for the simple reason that it gives you the flexibility you need to get off of the eave of the home. Now the dome camera would be ideal for a small business or a camera inside of a home even, not on the exterior though. Any interior application, I would actually recommend the dome camera. It does not have to be vandal dome. It can be just a simple dome camera. The vandal resistant obviously is good for situations where somebody may feel that the camera is going to be damaged or destroyed. Here is the dome camera that is not IR vandal proof, and again we find that we still have the same board camera mounted inside. Very simple application to use. Simply tighten the screws on the side and flush mount to the ceiling tiles or ceiling, and simply put the housing back on. This concludes our lesson plan for going over the review of security cameras. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us on our website at www.securitycameratraining.com.